Good day guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Mariel and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. So today we have some people that will be coming here in our property to do some service. Aalisin nila ang puno na naputol like couple months ago, so this tree needs to be cut up, and aside from that there's some other trees and plants that need to be cut up as well. So obviously it needs tidy up and it needs to be done professionally, and I'll show you guys how they're gonna do their job, and I'll tell you guys as well how much they're gonna charge us. But he gave me a quote like last week, but let's see. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright guys, that's the tree that needs to be cut off, and yan yung branch na naputol na kailangan alisin din syempre, and that needs to be done properly. Alright, we have a sustainable water. We're using a rainwater. And behind that gazebo, there is a big concrete pool of rainwater. So basically, there is a connection from that water concrete all the way here to the house. So basically, we don't have a water bill because we're not connected to suburban water connections, because we have our own water system, and what we pay is just the maintenance of our water tank, and that needs to be done every year just to make sure that it's safe to use, safe to drink, and it's not contaminated. And that's one of the other reasons that we need to cut the trees and plants next to the gazebo, just to make sure that all the trees or plants don't go to the concrete, and that can cause contamination. So yeah, so we need more rain. If there's no rain, means we don't have water. Alright, kailangan din nilang alisin itong puno na to, yung plants na yan, kasi in this section, aalisin namin yan, iibahin namin yan. Maglalagay kami ng white pebbles and then water fountain para maiba naman, and it's easy to maintain. Alright, they're here now.
Wow, Mommy, that's a fork clip.
A pork clip?
A fork saggy clip. A
They're
fork
here.
A fork sour clip. Is there can sticks? Let's see.
They have a machine. Oh, look at that, Michael. Look at the machine. They're going now. They're finished.
Go now. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Alright, the tree over there is gone now. So, mas makikita natin yung paligid dito. Yung paddock. Nasaan na kaya yung alpacas at yung goat? Siguro natakot. Nagtago sa Nagtago siguro sila doon. Yeah. Star is coming back. Oh, I see stars now. He's coming. And alpacas is over there. Ah, so we can see our neighbor now. Stars coming. Right, naputo na nila yung mga halaman at puno na dapat putulin, and there's more to cut maybe next month because it costs too much. And yes. Hey Star, how are you? Star.
Hi, Star. You look good.
You look good, Star. Right, the bushes is gone over there. And what we're gonna do, maglalagay na lang kami ng ibang halaman dyan or flower.
Alpaca. Alpaca.
Alright guys, the job is already finished and the cost of the job is 500 Australian dollars. And they're just gonna send me an invoice and I just have to transfer the payment to them. And yes, so that's all for video for now. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I'll see you in my next one. And take care everyone and be safe.